Hi students, quick update related to SP1 and SP2 live batch. So we are starting with a live batch for both SP1 and SP2 from this particular weekend, that is from your 26th November. So we have live classes on weekends and you will be getting access to videos, assignments, tests, mocks, everything from our side. Plus apart from this, you do not have to worry about your X series or past papers because we have tried to cover different questions from X series and past papers in the content lectures and the past paper lectures that we have uploaded. Apart from that, we will be doing detailed discussion in our live classes only on different questions, so it will prepare better for exams. So if you have yet not started with your course, do enroll ASAP for your respective subject of SP1 and SP2 because the classes have already commenced. Even if you wish to continue with videos, it's better to start early because we will be providing you weekly targets where you will be getting details related that how you have to proceed. So even if you offer videos, you have the details related to how you have to go every week, and if you offer videos plus live classes, so apart from the videos, you will be getting access to detailed live discussion, that too via Zoom integration. So more effective discussion would be there because you can also participate in discussion and we will be doing quick feedback discussion as well in the classes. So do enroll ASAP if yet not started with the course. Thank you.